Thiko ithano mbere ya githurano kinene gitafanitio bururi-ini na kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka Iebc ironekana kumatia ngwataniro na atongoria a kidini, na thiko ya keri kirumaniririo atongoria a kidini makigia na kanya ga gutabania mahoya cikaro-ini cia Bomas. Muikariri gite wa Iebc Wafula Chebukati akiaria igongona-ini riri augite ati kamiti ino nigeretie kurumirira icunji ciothe cia watho mehaririria-ini ma githurano giki itemi-ini ria guthinga mianya iria ingicungiriria moimirira kureganwo namo ni igoti.
Because we have the legal framework, and those who are dissatisfied, then let them use that avenue. And on our part, we want to make it very difficult for them to go to court by the transparency measures we have put around the process. Because we are telling them election is at the polling station.
That the Commission has visibly established effective relations and working engagements with other institutions that are key to delivery of peaceful, free, fair and credible elections.
Peace be with you. Don't be afraid. Be courageous, be firm, follow the law.
Maya magithie na mbere nayo mihango ya gutwara maratathi ma uikia wa kura thiini wa ceceni ciothe no ithiete na mbere na thito-ini nene cia Iebc guku Nairobi. Mihango ya tinde nyitete thinga kwamukirwo kwa mamwe ma maratathi ma muthia maria maingirire bururi-ini umuthi kuma Greece. Iebc ikigeria kuhikana na mahinda niguo gukinyeria tariki 6 maratathi maya makorwo makinyite ceceni-ini ciothe.
Papers have been arriving from our printers in Greece, and we decided to start distributing them. We have contracted Postal Corporation of Kenya to do the distribution of all materials, both ballot papers and other election materials.
Gukinyeria riu gicunji kia 60 hari 100 kia maratathi maya ni matumitwo thiini wa icigo mbunge citiganite bururi-ini, na kio gicunji kia 90 hari 100 kia indo ingi iria cirabatarania githurano-ini ni cireketie gukinyio ceceni-ini citiganite.
We have distributed 368 pallets of senator ballot papers. The women rep, we have distributed 410. Member of Parliament, 439 pallets. County Assembly member, 472.
Mehariria maya marathie na mbere riri Iebc yetereire ciro gatuithanio rucio wigie kana register ya aikia kura ya gucabithio nigetikirio kuhuthika hari gukurana aria mandikithitio ta aikia kura, ona gutuika Iebc ikoretwo ikihinyiriria ati machini cia KIMS nicio cikahuthika, nekauga ati nikite uria wothe kungihotekeka niguo machini ici citikanahore kana gukwama.
We have also printed equal number of ballot papers per polling stations. That means if your polling station has 350 registered voters, we have only printed 350 ballot papers.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngujiri.